For the last 6 months, we have been depending on all sorts of child locks and safety gear to keep our young child and his curious hands from harm and of course creating an unnecessary mess by pulling everything out of our cabinets in every room he can find them. Today, we'll be showing you how to install the magnet locks for your cabinets. We purchased these locks for a great price on Amazon. We'll have the link in the description if you're interested. First, use the provided alcohol wipes to wipe off the areas where the latch and magnet lock will be adhered to. This will help remove any oil or residue to provide better adhesion. Now, let's install the latch on the cabinet. Use the provided ruler to help choose an ideal location for the lock. Make sure that your placement won't interfere with the screws on the cabinet door. Using the ruler with your marking, place it onto the cabinet and hold it down firmly for a few seconds. Next, install the guide onto the latch. Now, take one of the magnet locks and pull back the film off the adhesive and insert it into the guide. Now close the cabinet door. This will place the magnet lock onto the cabinet door. Open the cabinet door and press down firmly on the lock for a few seconds. Make sure to wait 24 hours before using the locks to allow the adhesive to cure. Now you can rest easy knowing your little ones are not wandering around in your cabinets and causing all sorts of havoc.